We are back with another exciting face-off between two top water softener brands. In the blue corner is Springwell SS Water Softener, known for its advanced softening technology and outstanding customer service. And in the red corner is the Pentair Pelican Water Softener, which doesn't sell through its official website and has been facing numerous online complaints recently. Get ready for a head-to-head battle to find the champion for your hard water needs. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Round 1. Hard Water Removal. Springwell SS1 steps into the ring with its powerful salt-based ion exchange media. Independent reports show it effectively softens over 97% of hard water, making laundry, cooking, and bathing easier and better. Depending on your family size and water usage, you can choose between 32K, 48K, and 80K grain capacities containing 10% cross-link resin. The impressive flow rate of up to 20 gallons per minute ensures your home gets a continuous supply of soft water. On the other hand, the Pelican Premier Softening System also uses salt-based ion exchange technology to soften hard water and provide a decent flow rate of 11.6 to 13.2 gallons per minute. It is available in 32K, 48K, and 64K grain capacities and contains 8% cross-link resin. As it does not sell online, your local dealer will recommend a suitable model depending on your household requirements. If you want to buy online, you have to buy from third-party websites like Water Filter Direct or Healthier Elements and not on their official website. Note that some customers raise the issue that the recommended model sizes that Pentair provides via their official local vendors may not be suitable. They invested their money in the wrong product and are now struggling with product exchange. Customers have also shown their dissatisfaction with its water softening results. They say it is ineffective in removing all kinds of minerals because they keep facing mineral deposits and pipe erosion. So, Springwell SS is clearly the winner of the first round because of the transparency of performance and different sizing options. Now it is time for round 2 ease of installation. Springwell SS1 offers a smooth installation process, which is nicely explained in their detailed installation guide PDF. Video format guides are also available to help you through the process. Although the installation is straightforward, some of you might need a plumbing professional for the pipeline adjustments. Switching to Pelican. The Pelican softeners also require professional installation. Pelican provides official guides for programming the electronic head, but there is no official tutorial or manual available for complete softener installation on their official website. However, we did find a detailed instruction manual on waterfilterdirect.com. You can also find some video tutorials by independent professionals online. People mainly face problems with fittings and joint leaks. In winter, their plastic connections freeze and become fragile and broken due to the temperature drop. We again declare Springwell as the winner for this round. While both systems require some level of expertise for installation, Springwell's comprehensive guides give it an edge here. We have reached round 3 ease of maintenance. Springwell SS1 flexes its low-maintenance design with an automatic regeneration feature to save water, salt, and electricity. The main filtration tank and resin last about 8 years before requiring replacement. Springwell doesn't sell its own resin. If the tank is still in good condition, you can opt for other quality aftermarket resin options. Springwell comes with a convenient app control with Bluetooth connectivity for remote regeneration settings and system updates. Pelican Water Softeners also prides itself on low maintenance, boasting a resin life of 10 to 20 years depending on your water quality. Pelican has a mobile app for checking salt levels. It also has a manual electronic head with a metered regeneration feature, allowing you to backwash on demand. It also has a battery backup to save previous settings. There's a tie in this round, as both softeners are easy to maintain with dedicated mobile apps. Here comes the fourth and final round, customer support and warranty. Springwell SS1 boasts ISO-certified components and excellent customer service. They offer a generous 6-month money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty on all parts to ensure customer satisfaction. In contrast, Pelican offers a 60-day guarantee and a 5-year performance warranty on media for municipal water and 1 year for well water. You also get a 1-year warranty on tanks, valves, and electronics. Pelican water softeners are tested and certified by WQA against NSF Standard 44. For softener performance, 372 for lead-free compliance and CSAB 483.1. However, after being acquired by Pentair, Pelican has seen a decline in customer service quality and an incline in customer complaints. There have been numerous online complaints about mis-selling and inefficient performance. Pelican has also been caught deleting negative reviews from its official website. Another major downside is that Pentair doesn't sell Pelican water softeners through its official website, but only through official distributors and local dealers. Like Kyneco and Culligan, its website directs you to fill out a form for a dealer to contact you, which opens the doors to misselling. The only alternative for you is to buy from third-party websites like waterfilterdirect.com. Given these factors, Springwell SS1 is yet again an undisputed winner in terms of customer support and warranty. Now comes the final winner. Based on all the rounds, Springwell SS1 is the go-to choice for all your water softening needs. Its reliable performance, user-friendly features, and helpful customer service make it a top choice for any household struggling with hard water issues. So there you have it, an in-depth comparison between Springwell and Pelican water softeners. If you found the video helpful, do like and share, and we'll back with another face-off between two top water treatment brands.